Hello, my name is Amanda Perry and I am the head of marketing at Baynes. At Baynes, we are constantly pushing the envelope to see how we can better help our clients digitally transform to their fullest potential. To that end, we are excited to bring you a series of value-added events, webinars, and resources over the next 3 months. Today, I just want to give you a brief overview of what's in store so that you can mark your calendars and make sure to make the most of these engaging opportunities. Unlock the full potential of building information modeling in your professional capacity. Attend our BIM for Now and the Future workshop. This is a CPD-accredited event offering 0.4 points and it's verified by HIFA. This is tailored for architects, BIM managers, and project teams. Through these interactive sessions, group discussions, and a video booth, we will capture the practical outcomes from this workshop, where you will gain actionable insights on current BIM practices and emerging technologies. Join us on the 16th of May at Killarney Country Club in Johannesburg, and RSVP soon to secure your spot, as we have limited seats left. Then on the 9th of May, join our webinar to learn how to receive CPD points through Pinnacle Series by Eagle Point Software. With 38 accredited learning paths, Pinnacle Series offers continued professional development to architects, engineers, and construction professionals. Discover how their expert-created content can revolutionize learning and give your firm a competitive edge. We are excited to bring back our Extraordinary Women in BIM campaign. This recognizes trailblazers driving progress in people, BIM processes, learning, technology, and projects. Last year's winners received wide media exposure. And this year, we have something very exciting to share about the prizes for the winners of this campaign. New this year, we're adding an Extraordinary Young Professional in BIM category to highlight exceptional students and graduates. Stay tuned for more details on nominating the pioneers shaping the future of BIM. Finally, to take matters about BIM to the next level, Baynes has committed to a video series called BIM Matters. This is where we embark on a journey of BIM cultivation and capture key voices in the industry. This series aims to encourage all build professionals to access best practices, harness the real challenges, and find practical solutions together to pave the way for BIM to flourish in South Africa. We encourage you to get involved in the conversation by visiting bakerbaynes.com/BIM Matters or emailing bimmatters@bakerbaynes.com. It's been a pleasure sharing a glimpse of the exciting value-added initiatives ahead. We look forward to your participation as we continue pushing the envelope in digital transformation.